All opinions discussed in this video are personal. Please pay a certified fund manager for accurate recommendation. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Take Stock. First, in the news, the government has agreed to handhold any individual or entity whose loan amount is less than 2 crore. It is expected that the fiscal expenditure towards this would cost around 6 lakh crore. This would negatively impact infra stocks as they are heavily dependent on government expenditure. The chief economic advisor, in his recent interaction, has announced a fiscal stimulus but is not confident on the timing of it. This could mean that we can be cautious about investing in the infra stocks. I personally have a bearish stance towards these stocks. The second in news is Reliance Industries Limited, which is seeing a capital infusion of close to rupees 7,500 crore. This could have a positive impact on the stock. We also have the Nasdaq, which has lost more than 2% in its last session due to the slowdown of the US job growth since the lockdown has been lifted off. This is giving an indication that the near future is seeming uncertain. Now, moving on to stock news. FIIs during the last session has pumped in a net investment of more than 1600 crore. HDFC Limited has seen a steady rise in its stock price with a high deliverable percentage. It is also trading at an attractive valuation with a price to earning ratio of 18. During the last session, we could also see a long build-up of NBFCs such as Manappuram, M&M Finance and L&T Finance. Another sector which I would like to bring to your attention is the two-wheeler stock space. TVS Motors and Bajaj Auto witnessed a heavy long build-up. I am expecting that Hero MotoCorp could also follow and pursue and might see a positive uptick today. Thank you.